Want faster internet? Upgrading your Spectrum modem and router can significantly boost your speeds and coverage. First, are you eligible? Most customers on plans 500 Mbps and above qualify for free router upgrades, including Eero Mesh Wi-Fi systems, as of late 2025. Check your eligibility through the My Spectrum app or website. You have two primary options: rent Spectrum's equipment or buy your own. Renting costs $5 to $15 per month. Purchasing a compatible modem costs $100 to $300 up front, but saves money long term. Make sure any BYO modem is on Spectrum's approved list to ensure compatibility with their hybrid fiber coaxial network. For routers, consider mesh systems like Eero for expanded, seamless coverage. Spectrum is increasingly offering subsidized or free Eero routers for qualifying plans, improving network latency and overall performance. Once you've selected your new equipment, the swap process is straightforward. Order your new device via the Spectrum app or website. Upon arrival, activate it using the provided activation code. Connect the new modem using a coaxial cable. Then, return your old equipment using the prepaid shipping label provided. Activation typically takes 5 to 10 minutes, with full setup guided by the Spectrum app, often requiring a reboot. Looking ahead, Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 7 are becoming dominant, offering faster speeds and better handling of multiple devices. Spectrum is integrating AI-driven optimization tools for automatic channel selection and expanding 5G backhaul. Expect multi-gig modem deployments to increase, driven by demand for gigabit plans. Upgrading ensures you're taking full advantage of your Spectrum internet plan, experiencing faster speeds and improved reliability.